Alright guys, let's see what we got. What's up, bro? What's up, Omar?
What's up, dude?
Wow.
Oh, dude, it went all the way into the ear, dude. So what I did is I just kind of got off the car to, take some of the weight off it right now.
Oh, the car didn't take too much damage.
And it was leaning right up against it.
If anything, he did this guy a favor. So you want me to just hold the rear?
You want to get that side, or what do you think? However you feel. I can't get here because of the wires. But either that or
Let me see. Let me do something really quick. Do they have, is that tractor the good tractor that's up there at the entrance? Is that what they're gonna
No, they're gonna have a yard go over here, come over here right now.
Then let me get my truck out of my way. Let me see your remote. Forget I got the same truck. See, the trick is you wanted to come in that same exact hole because that spade will get caught and bring up the hole. See, right now it's perfect. Now you can do a straight vertical.
Let me see where you're at on weight.
Yeah, I knew that this thing's gonna be every bit. The 20 footers are always heavier than the 40 footers.
That's what threw me off, bro.
Always.
Let me get you over here just in case.
Whoa, look at the landing gear. Yeah, you're good though. It's not going to go any further. I would have set up outrigger pads. Let me get my truck out of the way. Where's that yard go? Hey, Dad, I'm headed back. So that customer, just have him wait. I'm headed back. Give me 3 minutes. I did that because I'm hungry, man.
You what?
I did that because I'm hungry.
Did you eat already?
I had that call in the morning. The airport was a mishap, so then I shot to Torrance. I shot to Torrance. Then I finished that forklift job. I smashed at the airport. We took it all the way up to Pacoima. I didn't even know there's an airport there.
There's a small airport there.
Tiny. Yeah. Tiny, dude. But like that nice boulevard and Glen Oaks, around that major intersection, there's a street called Airport Way or Air Drive Way or something, and that's where it was. Good day, YouTube, and belated Merry Christmas. Hope everyone has some good holiday fun. No rest over here as we jump straight into the action. We got a call for a tractor trailer from Mr. C's, blocking the whole intersection on Bandini and Atlantic, but this is not a tractor trailer. That's going to be transmission fluid. We're going to throw some more sand. Well, we're already here. Got here fast, bro. And I had to get DEF and fuel. I was hoping my #1 fans would be here. So,
Your truck?
I don't want to, who's the driver? Does he know if it's loaded?
Yes. Yes, it is. It's loaded with greens, or like mahogany, beans.
Yeah, it's gonna be easy. We don't need 2 rotators for this.
You can do it by yourself.
I like you in the front though, just to control the cab so I don't tear the box off. See this wood right here? I'm gonna show the camera. Bam. And this is bent. This is so easy for the cab. This is all that's holding the cab to the frame. That's so easy to come off. So I'll control the cab, and so I don't torque it more, because see the wood's popping out from here too, Joe? You'll just control the front.
Okay. Let's put my boom off.
Yeah.
You know, just put a snatch block on it, no?
Oh, and do that?
Yeah, no.
Oh,
wait, just hold it.
why don't you do a spike and a catch?
Okay, we'll do that.
Yeah, you'll get a little bit more offset this way, Joe, and you know what to do. Put a snatch block to right here, and then this will be your catch.
Okay.
And I'll back up my truck. Huge truck route. Dang. You see what I mean? And that's all open, and they're still honking. You know, I don't know if you guys know this, but this is a fun fact. If you're in traffic and you honk like that, it doesn't make traffic go faster. I know a lot of you guys are gonna find that shocking, but yeah, that's a fun fact. It'd be savage, dude, if we put your rotator and block that street. I told the cops we can leave it open.
Yeah?
I don't need it closed, bro. No, because it's not gonna go into that lane any further.
Okay.
But I mean, maybe for safety, just to rig.
Yeah.
Because these people are gonna be, see, like that guy right there. They're gonna be staring and clip one of us.
They got job over.
We're used to working close quarters. I'm not used to. If possible, just for safety, because we're gonna be standing there doing our rigging. You know?
I know. I'm trying to close all this off right now.
You got time, bro.
Yeah.
I'm in no rush to get this closed.
Yeah, I know you guys.
We'll be fast though. Once you give us.
This is a nice mount.
Good. Here, you want to focus on this and I'll record? That way I get better angles. You have your drone with you?
Yeah.
Well, this is cool. Alex is gonna take over Hulk, and I can focus on getting some crazy shots with the drone for you guys. Chop, chop, Jabbo.
I'm gonna put my snatch block down here. Cable.
Say hi to your #1 fan, Ray.
Oh, Ray.
Papi Chulo. Look at that tight squeeze. Wow. So this is why I wanted to keep this lane open. I'll show you guys all that congestion. This is the intersection of Bandini and Atlantic, 2 huge trucking area intersections. So right here is where the 710 and the 5 meet. I mean, the freeways are relatively empty, but this rollover is causing a huge backup. So eventually though, they are going to be closing down this extra lane. But we just got here, and Alex is taking over the controls just so I can kind of focus on this. So instead of the equalizing method that we do a lot on the container jobs, Joe's gonna run a low line. That's called a spike. So the snatch block goes towards the bottom of his truck, and then the end of the line terminates at the top of the tire right here on the front axle, and that's what's called a spike. It helps pull over the front while Alex controls the box. Looks like Alex has one line attached to the rear frame. He's gonna put pressure on that, and that gives you a lift at the very bottom, down there. That allows him to run his straps. From where he's at right here, the truck's gonna come this way.
Okay, so you
to us. That's why I was saying we can keep that lane open for as long as you need until it's ready to come over.
Shut it down right now. Yeah.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Thank you, man. Oh yeah, yeah. I have it in whole. It's gonna be on the side with the straps. On the right side. Well, that's where I used to have it. Unless you moved it. So this triangle is such a cool tool. What it does is it's 12 inches in diameter and it cuts the strap in half. So that and that end go to here and here respectively, and they're joined in the middle with that. That allows it to have the full working load limit. Sometimes people will put a shackle and run that through there, but it gets all bunched up, all nasty. This one fits the width of this perfectly. Have you done a pre-pick yet? So now Alex is lifting up the entire rear. This is good to get a gauge of how heavy it is first of all, and then to get enough gap for the straps. Here, let me, I was gonna hold on to it while you do it, but. Go for it, I'll hold it. Good. Yeah. So I'm guessing one here, one there. Let me hold on to the other side while you run it through. Okay, go for it. Whoa, that guy almost clipped that container. Whew. You good, Joe?
Good. Got my light little dude once it starts going up.
I still don't like this, Joe.
No?
No, you got time to move your truck over a lot, bro.
You think
You
so?
gotta figure you're just pulling it forward. That's gonna go straight. You're supposed to be like right here, so look, Joe, when you spike it, you're pulling it towards you this way. You could just disconnect it from there and just disconnect from there and then kind of just readjust. So if you see what I mean, right? By putting yourself over like 10 feet, now you're truly spiking it instead of pulling it forward. So the triangle is officially installed. It's all the way in the back. You kind of get a better angle of the rear in the air. You don't lift too high because then you can risk damaging the box. And then I just had Joe come over this way more. That way this spike line that I was talking about gets attached to there and you pull it down. Much better, Joe. Huh?
It's all rigged up? It's also rigged up.
And then those angle irons help with the surface area, plus protecting the strap. Since they're a lot wider than 12 inches, it spreads out the force of where you're lifting at, so it's dispersed more evenly. And then he's just gonna throw his boom over the top and we're ready to lift. guys have extra absorbent? Oh crap, there we go, man. Let me grab a bag.
Not right now?
Yeah, I'll help you out, bro. I left my knife in the truck if you wanna. Let me do, I'll take this one. Yeah, he's got plenty. This should do it for now. Not yet. Once it's upright, we'll finish it. Driver's up on the curb, Joe. Saturate is really nice. No, this is good for now. If you got a broom tool, just help me kind of nail it in. And when it's upright, we'll take care of the rest. We'll finish the cleanup when it's done, but it's all nice and swept. Once Joe takes off the dry shaft, we're done, right?
Cabo, the tool's right there.
Huh?
My tool bag is right there.
I know, but strips right here, don't go in.
What size? 3/8?
Yeah.
Get a... I'm shocked those grab hooks didn't catch.
Huh?
I'm shocked those grab hooks didn't catch. That always happens.
They flip around and pop, right?
Always, huh? You want to do it with the size smaller, Joe?
Yeah, I got it in.
Yeah? Okay. Perfect. Drive shaft is officially removed since we're going to be towing this to Gardena. That has to come off when you front tow to protect the transmission and the transfer case. Joe's just putting on the straps to secure it, and then it's upright time. You guys are pretty much ready, right? Yeah. All right.
Tell me when you're ready.
He's ready.
Do this after. You got that? No, I'm gonna do it after. I don't put it just to shoot out. Well, you see that triangle? Alex was able to use one long strap to act as two. Now you can get a really good idea of why those angle irons right there help a ton. Those straps will cut through that box like butter, and it doesn't look like much, but that extra width
from that support, provides a lot of bracing. Once the angle irons fall, it's pretty much all catch now. Beautiful job, guys. Quick and easy post-Christmas rollover. Just gotta get a close up there so you guys see how, despite this thing was in a rollover accident, we never caused more additional damage. So if I had to guess, this guy was coming from right here, took this corner right here, probably at breakneck speed. Because from the way he was flipped, there's no way he was coming straight. But you know what? You never know. He could have swerved to avoid someone running right here. Either way, I'm almost positive, like always, speed was a mitigating factor. I'm gonna have Joe scoot over a little bit, that way his underlift can get right underneath. I think that's good. Gotta retract, Joe. Suck it in. Might be a battery, just use the levers and fold. Just tilt all the way down so you'll clear it.
It does that sometimes.
Must be a solenoid, something stuck. That's happened to me before. There you go. I know. It's got to be a sinking issue. We'll see if Fishwell can.
That's why your dad gave me a new remote. I just haven't sunk it. I told him. Sometimes I'm on the freeway and it won't go. I'm like, then I got to rinse the lever. You know what I mean?
You already got the airline plumbed? Good. Dang, look at that one. That's a pretty nice one. What kind of cab is that? That's not a 389?
A 389.
No, it's not.
No,
that's not a 389. See how the back kind of curves? That's probably a brand new 5 Series, huh?
We would have seen the dash, we'd be able to tell.
I'll have him pull over and open the door for me. All right, Joe. Go out, bro. I'll guide you. No, go in. I gotta kick this one out like 1 inch. Go in. Go in, Joe. You're on the bolt. Yeah, let me kick it over for you. Just go down. Right there, bro. Go. Beautiful.
That's turnips. Why call it the turnips?
All bad. Solid, man. So I'm gonna do a quick walk on and show you guys something that I do quite often, but since I always have new subscribers, the reason we rig the way we do and the equipment we have is this thing rolled over on this side, right? A lot of companies, I've been getting a lot of stuff sent to me, have problems uprighting these things loaded. And without the angle irons like I showed you, or synthetic straps, or your right angles, it's very easy to rip these. It's super easy to bend them at the top. But if you see right here, the only damage to this truck is right here, where it obviously ate dirt, you know? Same thing here with the scratches, and then right up there at the top front where the load is. But other than that, no additional damage. Okay, back in Hulk you go. You know what's funny? These straps, they were orange when I got them. I got these from 10 West Towing many years ago when I first got Hulk. Big Jim Cady up there. Shoot, guys, we're done. Hulk's put away?
Yep.
Joe's done too. Just gotta connect that to the dryer, attach an airline, and we're out of here. Joe, you know where you're going?
Yeah, he said Gardena, San Pedro, Gardena.
10-4.
Rose Grande and San Pedro.
I'm gonna back up out of here and we're gonna probably go on this side, huh? Let me tell the cop if it's okay if we exit out, because they haven't opened it yet.
No.
We just go straight up to the 710.
They get brought out to a different call.
Cool.
The cop was telling me that they have a different call.
We'll run it too.
What?
No, it's like a criminal call.
So criminals right here. All right, guys, we're out of here. Hope you guys enjoyed this cool, mainly drone footage of this quick and easy job. And Happy New Year's to everyone watching coming out. And while I wait for this quick traffic break so we can go back around. Man, look at that. Safe travels, JoJo. Now we are finally outro. Peace out, guys.